Hi everybody.
Hey folks.
Bert's busy chopping, where am I? Bert's busy chopping onions and prepping because we're making a pizza
Ham.
today. What you chopping?
Ham.
He's chopping ham. So we're prepping because we're making a homemade pizza today. New recipe, easy peasy. That's one of my favorite sayings, and I think you'll like it. It says,
How's everybody? Beautiful day outside.
yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have what do you call this? A deep crust pizza, and
Okay.
we're gonna have pepperoni, ham, onions, Crust sauce, some pineapple, and that's how we're gonna make it. We got lots of cheeses. So let's get started. So Bert, we need a cup of flour in this bowl. And we're cooking it in the oven for 400 degrees for 20 minutes. So this is self-rising flour. We need a cup of self-rising flour. Fantastic.
I thought I was here just to watch, guys, but it looks like I've been pulled into the mix, so here we go.
That's a half cup. We need another half cup.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I can't, it's hard to get a whole cup measurement in that container. So we're starting with a cup of self-rising flour.
Here's another cup, half
There we
cup,
go.
excuse me.
I'm going to put a hole right there, and we're going to put an egg in there, one egg, and a cup of milk, and what else we got to put in there? A teaspoon of baking powder, not baking soda, baking powder. Here we go, that's what it looks like. Okay, there's your egg.
Teaspoon of this.
A teaspoon of
You
baking.
can go ahead and crack the egg if you
Okay.
want. Okay, teaspoon is in,
Okay.
egg is in.
We need a cup of milk. This is going to make our crust.
There's a cup of milk.
Yep.
You ready?
Yep.
All at one time or
Oh,
not?
dump
Okay,
it, dump it.
dump it.
Okay.
This is on the fly. I don't know what she's doing. I'm just going along with her.
We're making a crust, and then we're gonna put in some Italian seasoning, and we're not gonna go crazy. That's not enough, baby. Okay, that's good.
Let's not go crazy. That's not enough. See?
Hey, if he doesn't like the kitchen, what do the women say?
Look,
Get out!
I just follow along. I'm just trying to do what she tells me to do.
Okay, so stir that up real good. And once we get that stirred up real good, we're going to pour it into the black iron skillet. And I have got olive oil in the bottom of it so it won't stick. You just pour it in there, and then we're going to very gently
Is that good?
Yeah, we're going to pour the rest of the stuff in on top.
I always turn it over to the expert and let her say, is that enough? I don't know.
Okay, so here we go. We're going to pour it in. Thank you all for following our channel. We love hearing from the subscribers, and we've had some wonderful comments and suggestions. So keep them coming. What you think, Bert?
We shall see.
Okay, now, that's it. Now, see if you can gently, let's see.
Okay, does all this go in before we, or we cook it first? See, I don't know.
It's going just like that.
Okay.
Okay, so next is the marinara sauce, and we need to scoop that out. Can you get?
You want the marinara sauce next?
Not my water. Yep, we do indeed. Let's see. It's gonna
Okay,
go
I'm
right
gonna
on
let
top. This is a new recipe, so he's kind of like, huh? But we're gonna very gently pour it on top. This is the marinara sauce.
Look, I'm learning on this one just like you guys, because we've never done this before like this. But I'm sure it'll be good.
It will be. It'll be perfect. It's the easiest way to make a pizza, homemade pizza. And just kind of spread it around Like if you put
a
it
little
on.
more in here.
Mm-hmm.
Not that well.
You
Okay,
just
go
slide
ahead.
around.
We'll be right back, guys.
So don't forget to leave us comments, please. We love to hear from everybody. And we have met some wonderful people through this channel. So, okay, that should be good. Well, marinara sauce all over.
You want to come in? Come on. Come on. Come on.
And I hear Miss Dora and Miss Kathy coming in. I introduced our kitty cats the other day, so if you didn't see it, go back to the video where we were working on the garden, and you'll see them. So they're coming in to have their
Well, our next door neighbor started mowing the yard, so both the cats says we want to come in where it ain't so noisy.
They're like,
So
I don't think so.
that's the whole deal, and I saw them waiting at the door, so that's why I had to go let them in.
Okay, that's the marinara sauce. Now, Bert,
Next.
build up the pizza like you want
No, wait a minute.
it.
No,
How do you want it? You want the meat
let
first?
you do it.
You want the meat first?
That's
You
fine.
want to put pepperoni first?
Sure, here you go.
Here, come on. You build it up.
I'm letting the expert do it, guys. I'm just.
You do it.
Oh,
That's fun of making pizza. Everybody joins in. It's a good family thing. Good for the children. They would love to do pizza.
uh-oh.
That's okay. So it's if you don't like a lot of pepperoni, go light.
What do you want? Okay.
Yeah. Do one side, maybe not quite so much pepperoni.
I'm
I'm not a
You
big
do.
pepperoni fan.
You do your side. I'm gonna load this side up.
Oh gosh, I'm gonna have to take it off then. I tell you, I'll leave that part open.
That's fine. That's
Okay.
fine.
Let's put some ham on it. Roast a meat lover's pizza. So he likes that. Me, I'm a cheese and onion pizza. That's all I care about.
I'm just gonna let it fall.
But it's looking pretty. And again, this is a great family project. Get everybody involved.
Fortunately, our cats don't like pizza, so they go ahead and do their own thing. Okay.
Okay, you want to put the onions next? What else we got? Yeah. Put the onions, then we'll spoon out some
Pineapple.
pineapple.
Somebody's gonna get a bunch of onions at one spot there. Sorry.
I love onions. Cooked onions, raw onions, it doesn't matter. Wow, that's a lot of onions in it.
It'll be fine. We both do like onions, and once they're cooked, it won't matter that much.
It won't. It just makes the house smell so good. It's kind of like when you're baking bread.
Okay, we got most of the onions in, so I'm gonna stop there. You go ahead with the pineapple.
So now we're going to put in pineapple. And because I don't have any pineapple chunks, we got crushed pineapple. And we're just going to kind of put it around. And it's even got the juices, so it's okay. It'll be delicious.
Okay, while she's doing that, I'm just gonna let you guys know we got Parmesan cheese. We got the 4-style cheese Mexican blend. We got some coated jack cheese. So we're gonna use all of those to put on the pizza. Not all of it, we're just gonna sprinkle some on it.
Yeah. Then this is the Parmesan first.
Parmesan going on first.
It doesn't look like a pizza. There you go.
Okay, then we're gonna go with this. Okay.
I think I got
You
duplicates
got-
over there.
We got some pizzas. You got what?
I think I got duplicates.
What you got?
Duplicates.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna feed you. I'm gonna feed you. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I gotta do this first. Hold on. Hold on. Let's see
When
what
they
you-
come in from outside, they're like, where's our food? So Linda's going to get some food for them while I get these cheeses on here. Now the Colby Jack is going on last.
So y'all can hear me. You might not can see me, but you can hear me.
What you doing, girl? What you doing?
I need my pizza.
Okay.
She has her own little yellow plate.
So now we got all the cheese on here, and I don't know if you guys can see this. I'll try to bring it closer. There you go. That's what it looks like. This pan's a little heavy the way I've got it, so anyway.
All right, we go. Come on.
All right, are we ready to go in the oven with this?
We are.
All right. So now we're gonna cook it, and what temperature, dear?
400
We're gonna put it on 400 degrees
for 20 minutes.
for cook it about 20 minutes.
Yep.
And then we'll be back and show you what it looks like then, okay?
And we'll have 2 happy kitty cats.
See you soon, guys. Hey, we're back now. We've got our pizza cooked. It looks really delicious. And this is a deep dish type pizza. This is just a 10-inch iron skillet or pan.
Black iron skillet.
Black iron pan. And we cooked it for, I'm gonna say about 35 minutes.
No.
Okay,
It cooked.
I'm sorry.
We started with 20 minutes, and I think we added a couple of minutes. Just
Excuse
to
me.
be sure. No, don't do 30 minutes. It'll burn up.
About 25 minutes in, okay?
If that. Remember, everything that's going on this pizza is already cooked. So all you're doing really is cooking the crust. And if you want a thinner pizza, get you a bigger pan. This is 10-inch. Actually, we were looking at, what was it?
What's your hand?
Yeah, that's right. We were looking at what, 12-inch
Yeah.
today? And so if you want a thin crust pizza, remember, the bigger the pan. So Bert's gonna slice a piece of it. It is hot.
Well,
So be careful if you use a cast iron. This stuff holds the heat. Something
I had a
like that.
huge lunch today, so I'm just gonna get Linda to taste this.
You gotta taste it too.
How you gonna, oh my goodness.
Is it not done?
It's, I don't know, you tell me.
I don't know. May have to put it back. Let me,
Hold on, guys.
yeah.
This is,
This is the first time we've ever done pizza like
I
this.
said, it's our first shot at this.
Let's see what it looks like.
Just bring a piece section up. There you go.
It's got a lot of, I may have put too much sauce on it. Okay, the crust is in there. You can see the crust, and it's done.
Here's your crust right here.
Mm-hmm. Hold on, I'm gonna get a piece out with the crust. But you can see where it made it. It's made its own crust. There you go. Hold on a minute, and I'll bring the camera back down so you can see the inside. If I were gonna do it again, let me see. Will we cook it a little bit longer? What do you think?
Well, first off, just taste it and see what you think.
Let's see.
Taste
Put
this.
the plate over here and let's see.
What?
It smells good. Okay, let's see. We're gonna take like
Well, everything is really done except we were just cooking the crust. the rest of the pizza is pretty much already cooked. Maybe the pepperoni need to be cooked a little bit, but
there's the crust, and the crust is done.
yeah.
Can you see what I'm doing?
But the whole thing is, I think that Linda's concerned about is the way it's like liquid on the top. But remember now, this is a deep dish pizza, and it's gonna be a little bit like this.
And we may have put a little bit too much sauce, maybe a little bit too much cheese. But anyway, this is our first time cooking it like this. But I think it's turned out.
How about just?
I'm waiting for it to cool. I don't want to burn my tongue.
Oh, she's stalling.
I am stalling because I know this thing.
It's hot because it just came out of the oven. Remember, guys. So
boiling hot.
y'all just hold on a minute.
Okay, here I'll blow it. Woo, 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 woo! It dropped on my finger. It's hot.
Well, the sauce is gonna be like lava.
Got a good flavor. What do you think?
Well, it's really a very tasty,
It really is.
tasty pizza dish.
It is. It really is.
But the liquid part is simply because of the being such a thick pizza. But wow, it's got some flavor. It's got flavor plus.
That's good.
This could be a keeper for sure.
Okay, so what else would we do to it? Would we let it cook longer or back up on the sauce some?
It doesn't really matter. I mean, the taste is there, so it's good. It's very good.
So if you want pieces that you can hold by your hand, I think it's cooked long enough. I might would back off on the sauce, the marinara sauce.
Maybe a little bit, not much.
If you want.
Not
But
much.
mostly this is going to be eaten in a plate, which I like that. Myself,
So
keeping fingers.
we've got lunch served already. So we're going to enjoy this pizza, not today, but we'll most likely be eating this pizza tomorrow.
With the salad.
So you guys just remember to like, share, subscribe, and share our channel, please. We're growing by the day, but we want to continue growing.
And leave comments.
Share it to some of your friends and tell them, hey, check out these guys.
Yeah. But do leave us comments. Give us suggestions. If you cook it, let us know how you like it. So
Just remember, God loves you, so do we, and we'll see you guys soon. Okay?
Bye.
Bye-bye.